take off a water housing on a Nissan Qashqai. Guys, it's this guy here I've got to change. This water housing here. Okay, we're going to take this guy off. Okay. Okay, first what you guys want to do, you guys want to take the battery out. Okay, so we can make space to work there. To work here. Okay, guys, to make space to work here. So we're going to take out this guy. Okay, you're going to need a 10 socket, tube socket, and a ratchet. Okay. Out guys, battery packet out. Then you want to loosen the terminals. Okay, then the battery should come out now. Okay, and next you want to take off this pipe here. Okay, and that pipe, the sensor plug, and right at the back there, another pipe to come off. Okay, guys, and obviously that one down there. Okay. Okay, guys, that's one off. Yeah. Then you gotta take off this guy here. Maybe you guys can see that. This one here. You gotta take off this temperature sensor, right? Okay, guys, like that. Okay. Over. There. Okay. And you got another plug here at the back. Not a plug, but another pipe. Okay. And then what you're gonna need is in your ratchet and maybe a extension, screw extension with a 10 socket. Okay, guys. One bolt, guys. Another screw. Here's the other screw. Got another one down here. I'm gonna use a shorter extension, guys. Another screw. Now, another one at the bottom. Here you. I'm sorry guys, I can't actually really show you where the bolt sits. It's very cramped up in here. I'll try my best. Okay. Okay, that's another bolt out. So we're always gonna make sure all of them are out before you even put on this thing. Otherwise you'll break it. Even though it is broken, but you might just break something else. You know? You go. Another one. Guys, so you can see this is the old one we took out. The old water housing. Okay. Here's the new one. Okay guys. Can you guys see? New one. So what I do is I apply Victorine silicone on this to make double sure it will not leak. Okay guys. Okay guys, once you applied it, just wait for a minute or so before we install it. Okay. So it takes 6 bolts to mount this thing down on the side of the block. Okay. Okay guys, after waiting a minute, now we can put him on. Okay guys, so it goes this way around. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see this. Yes. Sorry about that. See, it goes just like that. Can you see guys? It goes in like that. I wish I could show you guys a better way of this, but I'm one-handed. That's one. It's a 10 socket. Okay, small set. Right. Top. I wish I could show you guys better where the bolt goes in, but it's not that hard, guys. It's just common sense. That's all it is, guys. Just common sense of where the stuff goes. It's not hard. That's it, guys. And it's on now, okay? So the next thing is, let's put pipes on. Okay? So let's put the pipes on. Let's see if I can clamp this guy. Not sure if I can. With this pliers. Okay, no, I would have to get me the special pliers. I would say the hardest part of this job is putting the pipes on. Okay? Go. And then you got this part here. Just put this guy on. No. Okay, that's the other pipe on, guys. This pipe goes here. This is real life struggles, guys. That's it. Just bring him to the front. Like that. Then try to push him on. Okay. Then this sensor can be plugged back in, yeah? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. This guy fits on here. That guy clips into here. Okay. Yeah. Then we got the top radiator hose to put on, okay guys? Okay guys, so now what's left is put the battery back in, and then yeah, make always sure when you look at the battery that you got your negative and your positive. Okay guys, you don't want to hook up your positive with your negative and your negative with the positive, because you'll blow your ECU, you'll blow fuses, you'll destroy your car. Okay guys, so the way you put on the battery terminals is you first put on the positive. Okay, first the positive must go onto the positive terminal of your battery. Okay guys, and you tighten it up. And then you put on your negative cable. Okay, negative terminal. Now you put him on. Okay, okay, so always make sure your positive terminal goes on first and then your negative. Okay guys, you take your battery bracket, battery holder, plug him in there, plug him in there. Okay guys, and that's how you fit the battery. I hope it helped. Bye.